Or should I just go to bed? I don't know.
I heard, or I should glue my bed.
Yes,
Sure.
that bed. Glue it.
Glue it tight.
Never ever leave it.
Oh my!
The timing is uncanny with that thing.
What was that? What was it? We're back to the start again.
That was adorable.
Yes.
Oh my god, wait.
First, let me take a selfie.
I quit.
Let me go to Baja.
You touch my tra-la-la.
Oh
Patrick?
my god,
My
no.
ding dong.
Thank you, Patrick.
It needs to be about 20% cooler.
Your face needs to be 20% cooler. Jeez.
Your
No.
mom needs to be 20% cooler.
Whoa!
Oh!
Oh, that was funny.
Circus!
Afro
circus! Afro circus! Afro.
Plug it up, plug it up, plug it up. Afro. The damn air horn, I swear to God.
Oh god. I ain't sleeping
Evil
tonight.
baby laugh, jeez.
Challenge accepted.
Oh my god.
What was that?
My ears are dying.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
It's in the game.
In the game. Hey!
I like the careless whisper one better. So sexy. Beautiful.
Hello, Gary Oaks Kyle. I've missed you.
I found Swift Company. They're
Okay,
hot.
everybody here? Everybody ready? One.
Oh, what? Okay.
Are we ready? One,
Yeah.
2, go.
Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style.
Oppa Gangnam Style.
Gangnam
So,
Gangnam Style.
Hey, sexy
Sexy
MK.
ladies! Oh. Oh.
you looked at me. That's awkward. Ah, yeah.
Crap.
Oh!
Oh no!
Con los terroristas.
There you
Yay, we did a Harlem Shake.
Whoopah!
Follow him!
That's my whip sound. Whoopah!
Fox.
Whoopah! Wait. My Pidgeot looks like Indiana Jones. Yeah, perfect.
It does. Ah, my Pidgeot's bigger than yours.
Oh, I don't have mine with me.
Wait. My Pidgeot.
Aw, look how
So
cute.
tiny.
They all look the
George
same. Which one's which?
You'll never know.
Which
And it's gone.
Everybody,
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it.
this should be on the down soundtrack for Vox.
Oh my god, it should be.
Aww.
That
I
was too
thought her
short-lived.
feet was gonna drop.
Who's got a really creepy Pokemon? I do. Here we go.
Oh, it walked away! Thank you for
Never gonna
coming,
make
Buzz.
you cry. Never
Never
gonna
gonna
say
say
goodbye. The walk of shame. Oh, Bobby Patrick.
I walk these sidewalks every day. Never being able to beat Sabrina. I wish one day I could beat Sabrina. That day will never come. Cue the rain.
I would actually laugh for the rain.
Maria!
Who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
Stop, stop, stop,
What pores is he? Not a clue if it's something you wish.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Damn.
Oh, I wish I had a night tail.
What does Dragon say? Everybody, victory screech!
On next episode, we'll do something productive with our lives.
Yep.
Nah.
Just kidding!